Paji, if you can tell us about PRG, what all services PRG provide?
Paji, PRG has three main pillars. PRG Real Estate, PRG Development, and PRG Capital. Under real estate comes a brokerage. We have a Royal LePage franchise of a brokerage. And under development, we are developing projects like Castlemore Town Center, PRG Commercial Center, and some other projects in the pipeline. Under PRG Capital becomes our mutual fund trust and our lending business under capital. So basically, PRG is a full cycle real estate service company.
So a market is quite challenging this time, and how PRG is making sure that investors are safe, investor money is in good hands. How PRG make sure?
That's a very good question. I get this question asked every day. Market is challenging, but in certain sectors. Market is very challenging in residential sector. Market is very challenging in condo sector, but market is booming in commercial sector. This is always the case. When economy goes down, people come out, they want to set up, they want their second income, they want to know how to survive, and the retail is their first priority. So having said that, based on our brokerage data that we get calls every day, commercial sector is thriving, Paji.
What are the upcoming projects of PRG?
Before I tell you about the upcoming project, I want to congratulate you actually first, because you are the one who were here on this ground when we launched Castlemore Town Center. That's been completed successfully. All the investors are happy. All the unit owners are happy. Phase 2 of Castlemore Town Center, we named it PRG Commercial Center. To the very south of it, the address is 9240, 9260 Gorway Drive. That is near about 100,000 square feet of retail and office and institutional space that we're building here.
So which are the projects next phase, if you can tell us on the map also, which is coming next plaza?
That's exactly. So again, I'll refer to the completed project. This is Castlemore Town Center, and our next project is PRG Commercial Center right to the south of it. And this land is very strategically located between Humber West and Gorway Drive and just north of Queen. And this is a PRG condominium site. This is going to be our phase 3. So once this whole thing is complete, we're going to have a retail, and a residential of about 1,000 units. So this becomes a very natural, organic hub of real estate franchise.
You have projects coming in Niagara also, and also on the airport road and after Mayfield near Old School Road.
That is correct. We have a parcel of land, very strategic parcel of land, south of Lundy's Lane, touching Thorold Town Line, 114 acres of land, which is going to be zoned residential and commercial. So that project, we are also rolling into PRG. So anybody wants to invest in that project, it'll be ready in about a month. People can invest as little as $5,000 in the project, all the way up to $1 million. And we will be sharing more details with you for Niagara project. For the airport project, that project has already shot up quite a bit. It is at the northeast corner of airport and where Highway 413 is coming. So it's at the very corner of interchange of 413 and Airport Road. It's again very strategic land. It will be ready for a prime prestige industrial and industrial product.
So investor can become a owner also in all the projects?
In all of the project, investors are not just investors. We give them ownership stake just like we have. So they are owners just like us. Sometimes we own larger stake, the investors have a lesser stake, but that's not the case. Whoever wants to put more money, they can get the bigger stake, but everybody gets an equal seat at the table in terms of ownership.
If someone wants to reach to PRG for more information, for any questions, how can they reach?
They can reach me and my cell phone number, 416-846-2213. They can call our PRG 800 number, 1-888-913-6266. That's our PRG number, or go to prgmft.com, prgcorp.ca. We have a lot of presence online. You just search PRG, you'll get a lot of contact information there.
My name is Shadi McIver, I'm the Chief Operating Officer of PRG Mutual Fund Trust. Under the PRG Group, we have 4 divisions. PRG Mutual Fund Trust, which is the trust that brings in investments for our projects. We also have PRG Capital, which finances our projects. We have PRG Real Estate, which is the real estate arm of our projects. And then we have PRG Development, which is the development arm of our business. So all encompassing, we do financing, project development, real estate, along with investment intake. Basically, we are sitting in a building that we have built, completed in 2023, which is our first project on this site, 75,000 commercial retail professional office space. We are on the second phase of the project, which will be our PRG Commercial Center, which is going to be 60 to 100,000 square feet of retail office space. Third, fourth, fifth phase of that on our north parcel will be residential purpose-built rental, along with 2 condo towers that will get constructed from 2027 to 2030. Beyond that, we also have other parcels of land that we will go through development on, which includes industrial, commercial, along with mixed-use development in areas like Niagara Falls and in and around the GTA.
Investment. How much investment one can do starting from minimum to maximum?
For sure. So the minimum investment in our PRG Commercial Center project is $25,000 to a max of $700 to $1 million in that investment. And most of our investments, they will range from an investment standpoint, but typically they're around the $25,000 entry point.
If someone has any question, how can they reach PRG?
Absolutely. So you can reach us by contacting us right at our office. We have a website, prgmft.com as well. So you can see the showcase of the projects that we have and a little bit more about us. But you can contact us directly at our office number.
Shadi, if, as you said, that investors can be the owners also of in your all the projects. So how that works?
Absolutely. So all our investments are designed so that the investors are actually equity participants in our projects. So they own the actual project with us. So for example, the PRG Commercial Center project, the investors own the land with us, and we will develop that land to get it to market to complete the project.
Any message you want to give to Ontarians or Bramptonians or investors?
If you're looking for an opportunity to expand your knowledge in real estate investing, we have some of the greatest projects that will happen over the next 10, 15 years amongst all of our sites that we will produce. So if you're interested in understanding more about real estate investing, learning how to grow your wealth individually or for your families, please reach out to us because the great opportunity now while the time lasts.